Is Paperless-Ngx a scam? Let me give you the honest, no-nonsense answer up front: absolutely not. Paperless-Ngx is 100% legit, and here's why. First off, Paperless-Ngx is open source. That means all of its source code is public on GitHub for anyone to peek under the hood and scrutinize for security or reliability. No secrets, no shady business. Second, it's all about keeping your data in your hands. Unlike cloud apps like Evernote or Google Drive, Paperless-Ngx is self-hosted, meaning your documents stay on your own hardware. Think Raspberry Pi, NAS, or even your home server. Your files never leave your site, and you're not handing them over to a big tech company. The community? Super active. As of 2026, developers are rolling out updates regularly, and you'll find a ton of support on Reddit, GitHub, and tech forums. Now, let's talk features. Paperless-Ngx uses industry-standard tools like Tesseract for OCR and Apache Tika to handle Office docs. It'll watch a folder or your email inbox, auto-tag and sort your docs, and run full-text search so you can find, say, your 2023 water bill in seconds. Everything's stored as PDF-A, which is perfect for long-term archiving. But, real talk, Paperless-Ngx isn't plug-and-play. There's a bit of a learning curve. You'll need to know some basics about Docker and Linux to get it running. Plus, if you've got thousands of docs, it can be pretty demanding on your CPU and RAM. Swapping from folders to tags takes a mental switch too. Bottom line, Paperless-Ngx isn't a scam, and it's not trying to sell you anything. It's a rock-solid, community-driven DMS for people who want control and privacy. If you're up for the setup, it's absolutely worth it. Thanks for watching.